Hello mga kakusina! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Cucinera at its Finest. Today, gagawa tayo ng isang all-time favorite na bida sa kahit anong handaan, lechon belly. For my version, I am using center-cut pork belly. This dish is perfect not just for celebrations, but also for special meals at home. And guess what? It's keto-friendly, low-carb, and packed with flavors, making it guilt-free for anyone on a low-carb lifestyle. So tara na! Let's start cooking! For this recipe, we will use 2 kilos ng pork belly. The day before, I generously rubbed 4 tablespoons of salt all over the pork belly. This step adds flavor and ensures crispy skin. Nilagay ko ito sa fridge uncovered for 24 hours. Fast forward to the next day, ready na ang ating pork belly for seasoning. I scored the meat side to help the flavors absorb better. I started with 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, followed by 2 tablespoons of onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of 5-spice powder. Once every crevice of the pork meat is coated, I added a small amount of cooking oil, particularly coconut oil, to seal the flavors and keep the meat juicy. Now it's time to roll our pork belly. With the meat side up, nilagay ko ang lightly bruised lemongrass or tanglad sa gitna. Roll it tightly and isecure natin gamit ang butcher's or kitchen twine para ma-maintain ang shape. Now, before we bake this in the oven, let's just make sure to pat the skin with a paper towel to remove any moisture left. Although, nilagay na natin ito sa fridge with salt, which helped a lot in drying the skin out. I preheated my oven to 175 degrees centigrade. Ilagay ang rolled pork belly sa wire rack, tapos lagyan ng tray na may tubig sa ilalim to keep it moist while cooking. We are going to bake this for 3 hours. Low and slow ang key mga kakusina para sobrang tender at juicy ng ating pork belly. After 3 hours, ilabas natin ang pork belly. Brush the skin generously with coconut oil. This is the secret to achieving that golden crispy balat. At this point, we will increase the oven temperature to 180 degrees centigrade and return the pork belly to the oven. We will continue to bake this for another hour. Every 20 minutes, brush ulit ng coconut oil for a consistent crunch. Once the skin is golden and crispy, alisin ito sa oven at hayaan itong mag-rest for 10 to 15 minutes bago i-slice. Pair it with your favorite dipping sauce. Sobrang perfect nito mga kakusina for celebrations or even as a keto-friendly indulgence. This lechon belly is low-carb and high in healthy fats, making it perfect for keto enthusiasts. The pork belly provides energy, rich fats, and protein, while the spices and coconut oil add flavor without extra carbs. I highly encourage you to try this recipe at home. Sobrang sarap, sobrang crispy, and perfect for your keto low-carb lifestyle. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious, healthy, and easy to make dishes. Leave a comment below if you've tried this recipe or have any other tips for the perfect lechon belly. Salamat sa panonood mga kakusina. See you again on the next video. Happy cooking!